Welcome everyone to Press. In the next few minutes, we will show you all the features of the Divi Instagram feed module. Along the way, we will design a perfect Instagram feed just like this one. Also, we will cover layered selection, header and its options, enabling captions, and the follow button, also the load more button. Finally, we will style the entire Instagram feed. Enough intro. Now let's jump into the main procedure for designing the Instagram feed module. At first, we are adding the Instagram feed module. From the content tab, click source, and from the Instagram user, select the Instagram user. On our previous tutorial, we have showed how you can integrate the Instagram account. At first, starting with 12 post for this feed, I think is enough. And what happened if you click here, we would like to select a new tab, and let's jump into layout. We're selecting the grid layout, and this is the responsive setting for this feed, and we will increase our column gap a little bit, 2 pixel, and go to the header and click show header. Show profile picture, yes, and select a profile picture and upload this image. Show custom bio, yes. On the custom bio, we are writing, I explore untouched nature. Now click the captions and show captions. Caption only show when you hover over the image, and you can trim the caption from this option, and I would like to select the length 30 character. Click now the follow button, yes, show the follow on Instagram, this button, and you can customize the location. Also, we have load more button. You can enable and disable this button. In this design sense, we would keep like the no load more button. We already show you all the features of the Instagram feed module. Now let's jump into the design tab and design the module. Let's start with image. As you can see here, the image corner is a little bit sharp and we don't like this, so we increase the rounded corner. And if you see here, say okay, go to header, bottom spacing right, profile image size right, and just remove the profile image padding, make it 0 each of the pixel. On the profile image border color, make something like greenish. Okay, that's great. And 1 pixel, that's enough. Then go to name text and make the font Poppins and make it semi-bold, and make the user number spacing 1 pixel. Bio text, also make this Poppins and make it light. Font width, make it light. Letter spacing, no change. Then go to the caption, overlay color, we would like a little bit darker overlay color, and text color white, and caption font Poppins, and the text size 14 pixel. Go to the follow button, yes, custom style for follow button, yes. Then go to the color palette and select the green one for the button background color. A little bit dark greener, yes, that's correct. Okay, for the button text, we keep it 16 pixel, letter spacing 1 pixel, font Poppins and semi-bold. And we can increase the border width a little bit. Therefore, our pattern can look nicer in this context. And also the border radius. As we are not integrating load more button, so there is no style for the development button. And for the interior background, I would like to select a light green color. So therefore, I would like to go to the section settings and go click in the background and add background color. I have to go to color palette and green, something like that, and make the opacity. That's great. That's how you can simply design an elegant look Instagram feed in your Divi website using our Instagram feed module. Now we are exiting the builder. As you can see here, this is our hover effect and it's working nicely. And if we click on the Instagram icon, it will bring to us to another tab and it will open an Instagram website directly. And also the follow on Instagram button. That's all for today. Don't forget to check out our key plugins as well as Google reviews, content from 7 Styler, and the Pro Gallery.